It was a morning like any other, until the blast of a horn shattered the stillness. High above the Blackwater Bay, dark wings appeared on the horizon, growing larger, black against the clouds. It was Balerion, the Black Dread, returning to King's Landing. But this was not the mighty dragon they remembered. His scales were scorched, his body covered in long, jagged scars, and blood dripped from a wound, deep and terrible, still smoking and fresh. On his back, a rider, but not a king, a child. Princess Aerea Targaryen, barely alive, clinging to life. Her body burned with a fever like no other, her skin cracked and smoking, thin tendrils of smoke rising from her mouth. The horrors she whispered, too terrifying to speak of, her suffering unimaginable. And there in the maester's chambers, her ordeal ended, in pain and flames. But it was Balerion's return that raised more questions. A beast who had seen Valyria before the doom, now wounded and scarred. What could have left the Black Dread, the most fearsome creature in the skies, bleeding and broken? What had they found in that cursed place? In the ruins of Valyria, in the heart of darkness itself, the mysteries linger, and the truth may never be known.